everybody! I'm Jess, also known as Urpel. I'm currently away. I am staying in a hotel because of how bad the weather has been here in Michigan. So, yeah, it's crazy outside. Lots of snow. Lots and lots of snow. Hope everybody else is safe in a safe place. Hopefully, no traveling if you got as much snow as like we did. Um, First thing on the list I wanted to go over is the tutorials that I have recorded for the crocheted Valentine's cardigan will not upload. I've tried and tried, they won't upload. With that being said, I can share my progress from where I am at now and forward and kind of share the like points of how I've created the cardigan. For the future, I plan on recreating basically the same cardigan, maybe a little bit different, like the colors and the squares around where the cardigan will come together, just so that it's not the exact same thing. Um, but right now, I have this panel, and then the other panel is here. So I have 10 rows of the red and then 5 rows after that with each color that I've switched off to. And both panels I plan to make the exact same. And here's a little bit closer view for you. It's just a basic, instead of a granny square, it's like a granny hexagon. And then once you make both hexagons, you just butt them up together and you have a cardigan. But I'm kind of making it like plus a couple extra steps, if that makes sense. So like instead of doing an entire hexagon and having it where it's a little baggy, I didn't really want that aesthetic for this cardigan. So I stopped here, and obviously, that's not big enough for me. I know, but I'm going to stop here with the hexagon part. I will then create a sleeve off for this arm, for this side of the hexagon where it is folded. And then I will add more to the bottom for the length I after I will have after I have these two together, I will add the length. That's what I'm trying to say. And then from there, I will already have the squares I talked about, which is kind of hard to imagine because they're not there right now. Work in progress. So that's where I'm at right now. And then I got a little bit of the yarn haul, but at the Dollar Tree, we finally got some Premier yarn in stock at my local Dollar Tree. I mean, some already have the yarn, some don't, but my local one picks them up. $1.25. It's Premier, just chenille, 65 yards. It's 100% polyester, super bulky, 6. And then for knitting needles, it calls for an 8mm. And then for a crochet hook, it calls for an 8mm size crochet hook. Machine wash, warm, lay flat to dry. For patterns and inspiration, you can go to their website, premiersyarn.com, and that is what it looks like right on the label. And then That's what it looks like. How thick the strand is. Super soft. My plan for these, and I got 3, is to crochet hair ties or hair rubber bands. Hair ties? Hair accessories with said yarn. And I will do a tutorial for these and then upload those as well. What else do I have to show you? Oh, and then this is the yarn, the other color yarn that I will be working with the cardigan. So I have like the red, the light purple, and then the hot pink, and then I have this darker purple, a medium purple, and then this pale pink. I'll put these back. And the yarn I am using for the cardigan is from Yarnsmith's Create Double Knit. I got this from Wool Warehouse online. This particular one is Amethyst, dye lot 51812. It is 100% acrylic, 317 yards, cool wash, cool tumble dry. The crochet hook that it recommends is a 4mm, and the knitting needles is also 4mm or USA 6. That's what that looks like there. So that's exciting. Um, if you have any questions, drop them below. Feel free. I'm always open to, answering them, um, and it doesn't have to be about these particular items you have questions on. I am a crocheter and I want to share that. I think that it is a very beneficial hobby on many notes. That definitely helps me. Like sometimes, I've fought depression in the past, and it definitely helps. It also helps my anxiety. It's hard for me to just sit down and not do anything. I have to have something to do with my hands. So it helps me personally in a few different areas. And it also is a time killer, and it's something that you can either do for yourself or make gifts for others or create things for charity or even sell. So it's definitely a craft that should never die out. Never. And I know there's so many YouTubers on here that also share the love and passion for crochet or yarn or knitting, or there's Tunisian, there's macrame, there's weaving, there's loom knitting. I mean, and the list goes on and on and on. And so, yeah, I dabble into some things, but my favorite hobby is to crochet. Um, I also like to fiddle with jewelry making, wood burning, things like that. Um, I would like to share. I will always be up for sharing what it is I am working on, um, how-to videos on some of those things, maybe on a beginner level. I I'm I can do a lot of things, but master of none. One of those kind of people. Lots and lots of hobbies. But I want to share. I want to inspire others. I want to make friends and see what everybody else has got going on. Or if I've inspired you to create something, I want to see that. I want to be involved. Um, Crocheting and other yarn hobbies are kind of lonely in some instances, and I have all this access to the internet with YouTube and TikTok and Facebook and things like that. And I do watch people and I'm subscribed and I share, things that I've found that are helpful from them all the time. And I just want to be another, tribute to that for you guys. And yeah, kind of nervous. Haven't done very many videos. Again, trying to upload. I am switching to my computer, creating the videos. This will be my second video for the computer, uh, but I have uploaded these two. This will be my first one because the first that I uploaded because the first one I recorded, was like a test. But I'm gonna try to upload this, and if it uploads, hi, how you doing? Success. But that's where I'm at. I would like to do some lives. I'm gonna try to do a live either tonight or tomorrow, actually, on the computer if all works well. So look out. Um, yeah, and uh, keep in touch. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. I know this has been a slow couple of months getting started for me, but I think that I have all of it squared away with uploading now. Um, but we'll see. I mean, you'll see if that's true or not. But yeah. Also, what else? Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so if I don't see you guys tomorrow, happy Valentine's Day. Again, this was supposed to be done before Valentine's Day, but I was trying to wait to try to have time to like meet with my tech person to try to upload things, but it never worked out. So I said, heck with it. I'm going to just finish this out, continue sharing my progress, kind of some bullet points on how I did it. Um, so I'm sorry for, very first beginners, people, the ones of you that do crochet might be able to pick up where I'm going and inspire you to create one in your own way. But I will be again creating another cardigan, similar style, so that I could upload it for you guys, and that way you'll be able to create your own masterpieces, and either wear them, sell them, gift them, donate. You can do that. It'll be up there. um, but yeah, I'm excited. Glad to see you all. Come in, try to, participate, subscribe, give me a like, share, all the, juicy YouTube stuff. And I will see you again. You guys have a great day. And again, happy early Valentine's Day. Stay crafty.